Just a minute, camera got disturbed. Okay, now let's solve one example. So I am having a example like this with all resistances. V1, V2, I1, I2, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 ohm, 2 ohm. Okay, so first apply KVL in this loop. You will get equation as V1 equal to I1 plus 2 I1 minus I3, which is nothing but 3 I1 minus 2 I3. First equation. Okay, our equation should look like this. We want combination of voltage and currents. So this is not like that. So we'll keep it as it is. Let's apply KVL in mesh 2, and we'll get equation as a V2 equal to 2 I2 plus I3 equal to 2 I2 plus 2 I3. Again, it is not looking like that. Let's apply KVL over here and see what we get. 2, we will start from here. 2 I3 minus I1 plus I3 plus 2 I3 plus I2 equal to 0. We have taken all plus, okay, or if you take all minus, then also it will get cancelled out, and you will get equation like 5 I3 equal to 2 I1 minus 2 I2. So if you arrange for I3, it will be I3 equal to 2 by 5 I1 minus 2 by 5 I2. Okay, now this is equation 3. See, till now we have not got any equation which we actually interested in. So what we can do, we will substitute this equation 3 in equation 1. So what will happen? At least I3 will be eliminated because it is not at all expected. I3 will be eliminated. Then we will see what we can do. Put 3 in 1. So now equation will be V1 equal to 3 I1 minus 2 I3 is 2 by 5 I1 minus 2 by 5 I2. It is 11 by 5 I1 plus 4 by 5 I2. Okay, we have got the equation for V1. V1 in terms of I1 I2. No, is there any? No, any equation? Yes, I1 I2 and V2. No, I1 I2 and V2 is there. I1 I2 in V1 is there. So what we will do? We are interested in I1 I2 and V2. So let's see this equation. I will call it as a equation 4. Now let's substitute this equation of V1. Okay. No. Before that, what I will do, I will mark it as equation 4. I will put this equation in this equation also because I3 is at all not expected. So what I will do, V2 equal to 2 I2 plus 2. Instead I3, I will substitute this 2 by 5 I1 minus 2 by 5 I2, and you will get equation of V2 as V2 equal to 4 by 5 I1 plus 6 by 5 I2. This is the equation of V2. Let's call it as equation 5. Okay, so is that resembles to what we interested? V1, V2 and I2. I1, I2 and V2. I1, I2. Yes. I1, I2 and V2. I1, I2 and V2. Okay, somewhat we'll see what we can do. Okay, we have got equation for V2 also. Okay, from if let's try to rearrange this equation because these equations looks like this equation. So if I try to rearrange this equation for I1, I will be having equation like this. See what I can write: 4 by 5 I1 equal to V2 minus 6 by 5 I2. Okay, now I will arrange for I1. I1 equal to 5 by 4 V2 minus 3 by 2 I2. Now this is the equation, second equation. Okay, I1, I2 and V2. Okay, now what we can do, we are having equation of V1, 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 I1, I2, I1, I2, but instead V1 we should have V2. Instead V1 here we should have V2. So what I can do, instead V1 I want V2, no? See this equation of I1. I1 is having V2 and I2, right now. So if I replace I1 by V2 and I2, so V1, V2 and I2, V1, V2 and I2, yes, we want V1, V2 and I2, right? And we are having V1 and I2. Instead I1 we want V2. So what I can do, I will replace that I1 with this one. Okay, so let's write down this equation. V1 equal to 11, I hope you are getting 11 by 5 I1, no, 11 by 5 I1 plus 4 by 5 I2 plus 4 by 5 I2. Okay, see this equation we have got ABCD parameter. This equation we are interested, it have V1, V2 and I2. Okay, we have V1, I2, instead V2 we are having I1. So let's replace this I1. 11 by 5, instead I1 I will write on this equation. 5 by 4 V2 minus 3 by 2 I2 plus now this term 4 by 5 I2, V1 equal to. Okay, so if you rearrange this, it will become V1 equal to 11 by 4 V2 minus 5 by 2 I2, and this is the equation of our interest. So let's write down ABCD parameter A, B, C, D, and it will be, this is first equation, no? So this is A, 11 by 4 minus 5 by 2. This is second equation, 5 by 4 minus 3 by 2. This is how we can solve ABCD parameter. Okay, thank you very much.